Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to delete old Facebook account that you can't access. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to delete an old Facebook account that you can't access anymore and you just want it to remove from Facebook, well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to get the link of that actual Facebook account. So in this case, you want to open up the Facebook app, go and visit the actual Facebook app, Facebook account here, and you want to go and click on the three dotted option at the top right, and you want to go and click on the copy link option. So once you've copied the link, we are now ready to start the process. Now, you want to go and just access your browser, and you want to go and type in the following. It's going to be Facebook report. Now, you want to look for the option that says report something on Facebook. Now, in this case, you want to go and select this one, and this will open up the Facebook app. Now, if you haven't logged in to your current Facebook account here, so you need to have a current Facebook account in order for you to report something on Facebook. But in here, what you need to do is you want to go and choose the option here that says someone is pretending to be me. Now from here, you want to go ahead and basically choose the form here. So it's going to say use this form to report someone who is pretending to be you. Let's go and select this one. Now this will open up a new tab or new link here. Now from here, it's going to say if you need to report someone who is pretending to be you, please fill it in this form. Now you want to go and choose someone create an account pretending to be me or a friend. And in this case, you want to answer either do you have a Facebook account? Let's go answer yes. And from here, if someone has created a fake profile that's pretending to be you, you can go and learn how to take action here. Or if someone has created a profile that's impersonating your friend, go and choose find out what you can do to help. Let's go and choose the learn how to take action. Now, once you've done that, this will redirect you to another page here, which should allow you to fill out certain details. Now from here, it's going to redirect you to Meta AI Support Assistant. So from here, let's go ahead and choose the report a profile pretending to be me. Now it's going to ask you who is being impersonated. Let's go and choose me. Click on continue. Now from here, you'll have the option to select the account that is impersonating you. Like you can just choose or search for the actual account name here, and basically you want to go ahead and basically choose that specific account. Now obviously there are going to be a lot of accounts in here. It's going to choose this one, and from here it's going to click on select. Now you may need to wait for a few seconds here. Now they will ask you to basically provide additional details like how they are impersonating you. So what actually happened here. So in this case, you go and just describe whatever you want to have, whatever you want to happen in here. Say for example, you want to have this account or that specific account deleted, and you can just click on the submit button so that they could process your request. Now obviously they may reach out to you to basically ask for further details. So you may need to provide the URL of that profile as well. But once you click on submit, this will submit your request, and typically they will take action around like 24 or a few hours or 48 hours, depends on how fast the investigation is going to be. But in this case, that's about it. So currently this is the only way for you to delete a Facebook account that you don't have access as of this moment, but that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.